G'day everybody and welcome to RC Masters. Here on today's special episode, we'll be fixing our 3 prop for the turbo timber. Now I've got some hot glue now. Gonna try and put this back together. That's what happened to the prop before I put the 2 prop on. So what I'm gonna do is try and get it the best I can, and then put some tape around it so it holds. So that's what today's agenda is about, and I'll see you back once it's fitted to the plane and glued up, ready to go. Alright, so obviously here is what's happened, right? So you've snapped it to 2 sections. I've got tape on this one just to make it more strengthened at the center, because that's where props tend to snap, is right at the center. So that's what we're going to be fixing today, and we'll see how we go. Alright, see you in a minute guys, and stay tuned as we got another segment on to. Now guys, at this stage in the current situation, the 3 prop with hot gluing is not the greatest thing, so my suggestion is to, in this situation when you snap a prop, just buy a new one, because the integrity drops massively, as I've noticed. I put the 3 prop on, did a power test, and I had both blades fly everywhere. So it's one thing to learn, but it's a learning curve, so that's a positive. What I'm currently doing is flattening out the spindle so it's nice and flat for when the 3 prop comes in. So I'll put it back together once it's done with the 2 prop, and I'll do a little review of it. See you in a minute.